there, today in this video we'll be learning how to create this visual section where you can visually show your process of your work. In this video, this is a cleaning website and you can see it's super cool to see how it reacts and how visually it shows the process, how company does their work. So let's start. Just a reminder while we are uploading here that it's done in Divi builder. So in case you have any other builder, the process might be different. So we would need to go to the visual builder mode, and let's what we'll do, we'll just create exactly the same section, regular. Here we need 4, and the first one will add image, and for image we have those icons which we already found and added. So the first one, let's load more because I don't think I see it, is this one. Okay, first step is done. So let's make sure that the background color would be gray, and then the background color under the image will be white. Let's see, the image background is white, and that's great. And then this is just gonna copy this gray background, copy section styles, and then we just paste section styles here. So we have that gray background. Just for you to know, the background color is F5, F5, F5. So if you want to do exactly the same, so you would know. And let's figure it out. So we need to add some spacing. Let's add some padding here. Design, spacing, padding. Let's try 40 pixels. 40 pixels for all 4 solids. Oops, over here. And here we go, it's smaller. And now we will need to change maybe the size of the picture. Maybe let's do it with 70%. Cool, looks like it works. It's almost the same, yeah, looks like the same size. That's awesome. So to add around the corners, you need to add some code, as CSS code, since I know you would say there is an option here to add corners, but we can try this borders, but it might not work perfectly. You see it covers over the picture, so that's something we don't want to do. Just delete it. Add to advanced custom CSS main element, and just I would add the code in description. Just copy it from me in the description, and then we would do the hover over. We made it a little bit different. Border radius 50%, and then we'll add the box shadow too. And hover over this. Here we go. Perfect. Looks like it works. So let's save that and add some steps here. So we have 7 steps. Obviously, you can use it. I would guide you up to 4 steps so that you can use it for your own reasons or your own process. So we need to add extra module here to add steps. It's going to be text. Here we go. Well, for text will be just one step at a time. Background, let's add that blue background. If you want the same background, it's 003F7D. Okay, let's figure something out here. Text will need to be changed for obvious reasons to see it more. So text would be maybe gold, and then we can add some color, better color. Oh, awesome. And maybe change the size to, let's do 28 pixels. Here we go, this is better. So apart from that, we need to change the sizing to make this background fit the text and become a little round thing. So it'll be way better. So let's do it. Closing the text, go to sizing. So let's put sizing as 40 pixels. Width 40 pixels. Oh, percent. Make sure that it's not percent. And height 40 pixels. 40 pixels. Here we go. Looks like something. Now we will need to do some rounding here. So let's do the border. In this case, border would work. Let's put it to 50. Round corners 50%. 50 pixels. Sorry, messed up. So, and now we have to bring this one to the right place. For that, we would need to go to spacing, add some padding, I guess. Let's do 6. Uh, does 6 work? Maybe 7. 7 pixels, and then here to the left, we have to do something like 10, maybe. Oh, oh, perfect. Works. Let's save it before we lose all this huge process. Now we'll have to fix this up, go to advanced, and we would need to put it to the top of the icon. Let's go to position, default, we put absolute, and here we go, it up goes here. Obviously we don't want anywhere else, so to the top. Looks like it works, and it's at the top left corner. So awesome, look at that. So let's duplicate it. I didn't do it right. Wouldn't teach you right. Wouldn't teach you to do it wrong. Better teach you to do it right. Okay, you'll have to delete. It'll be way faster. And duplicate, duplicate, and duplicate. Here we go. So let's save it. First, let's change the icon. And the second one. What was the second one for us? Luckily, we have them in the right order, I guess. Second one. Great. Let's do the third one. Great. And let's do the next one. Maybe this. And here we go. We have 4 steps, which all of them are showing that they are step 1. But we'll fix that very soon. Let's see. It will be quickly fixed. So we can do it this way. And let's check. We have 4 dividers. So it's obviously here, image text. So we are going to change text. Number 1. We change to number 2. And obviously we'll have to do some changes in the what's going on? Some changes, yeah. Number 2 in the spacing. Maybe here it's going to be like 8. Yeah, that looks better. And this seems to be 12. I don't see any change here. It looks like something for sure. Yeah, okay. Let's try the next one. I didn't look at it in time. Okay, 3, we'll try 8 and 10. Maybe it's not going to be much visible. 7, 3, we have 3, same kind. Now we're going to do something like maybe 12 here. 12, yeah, it's better. Maybe 8 pixels. On the top, 8 and 12. Maybe it's quite nothing to change much. Oops, I'm looking in the wrong place. That's funny. I think it was too much. And then the fourth one will have to be smarter than that. Okay. Spacing, let leave it maybe 8. And this one, the same thing. We'll do 8 and 12. It's gonna work well this time. Let's do 8 and 12. And let's change the number to 4. Text gonna be 4. Great. Let's see what's coming up here. And here we